Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you how you can allow camera access to your YouTube on your iPhone phone. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, don't forget to write your comments, and let us get started with you. So, first of all, you will need to open the phone settings on your iPhone. And next, you will need to find YouTube. To do this, you can swipe to the very bottom to find YouTube. Or you can swipe up. You will see a search bar like this. You click on that bar, and you type in the word YouTube. And as you can see, this application is shown here. You can click on it to open YouTube settings. And then, if you have the word camera here in your YouTube settings, and you have this button next to it, you can just activate the camera access to your YouTube by enabling this button like this. I don't currently have the option to have the camera with YouTube together, so I don't have that in my settings. But if you have that setting, if you have a channel, if you're making some YouTube videos, then of course you can activate that feature in order to allow camera access. In this very simple way, friends, you can allow your camera access to YouTube on your iPhone. I hope this video clip helped you, was helpful. Don't forget to put your likes, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon, friends.